Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down all things beauty with a real, unfiltered approach. Today, we're talking about something that promises to elevate your lashes to new heights: Flower Beauty's Warrior Princess Volumizing Mascara. If you're tired of clumpy lashes and want a mascara that gives you length, lift, and volume, you might want to stick around. And before we jump in, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss one of our honest, in-depth reviews. Flower Beauty's Warrior Princess Mascara is designed to give your lashes a regal, full-volume look. This mascara isn't just about length. It promises to lift and curl with ease. The key feature here is the mascara's Clump-Free technology, making sure you get a smooth, defined look with every coat. The formula is buildable, allowing you to layer it to your desired level of drama. Plus, it's washable, so no need to worry about stubborn residue at the end of the day. The rich, black shade provides a bold, striking finish that's perfect for all-day wear. When it comes to the formula, you're getting a mascara that's designed for a royal effect. It's packed with a volumizing component that helps create a fuller lash look, while the curled bristles of the hourglass-shaped brush work to lift each lash from root to tip. As I tested this, I found it applied smoothly, without any tugging or pulling, something I really appreciated. The formula is definitely buildable. I started with one coat for a more natural, defined lash look, and then added a second for that dramatic lift and volumize effect. There was no flaking, no smudging, and most importantly, no clumping, which is a huge win. My lashes were separated and fanned out just as promised, and they stayed lifted all day. As for the real-world experience, this mascara is easy to apply, especially with the curved brush that helps coat each lash evenly. I wore it through a full day, work, errands, and even a little bit of time outdoors, and it held up wonderfully. No need for a touch-up, and I didn't experience any raccoon eyes by the end of the day. Here are the pros and cons. Pros: Clump-Free technology ensures smooth application with no unwanted buildup. The hourglass brush does an excellent job of lifting and separating lashes. Buildable formula lets you go from subtle to dramatic without clumping. Long-lasting wear with no smudging or flaking. Vegan and cruelty-free, which aligns with Flower Beauty's brand ethos. Cons? It's a washable formula, which is great for daily use, but if you're looking for something water-resistant for long wear or humid days, this might not be the best choice. The only downside I noticed was that the mascara didn't add as much volume as I expected on the first coat, but that's easily fixed by layering it. In terms of value for money, at its price point, this mascara provides high-quality results. It's not the cheapest on the market, but considering its performance and the fact that it's cruelty-free and vegan, I'd say it's worth the investment. You're paying for both the product quality and the ethical standards Flower Beauty maintains. Comparing it to other mascaras in the same price range, this one stands out because of its buildable formula and ease of use. It's also unique in the sense that the Clump-Free technology sets it apart from many drugstore mascaras that often require a bit of work to avoid a spidery effect. If you're a mascara lover, you'll find this one to be a solid addition to your collection. As for build quality, the packaging is simple and sleek, with a sturdy tube that's easy to hold and apply. The formula doesn't dry out quickly, which makes it a good investment for long-term use. I didn't notice any product wastage either, as the brush picks up just the right amount of mascara with each use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Flower Beauty's customer service is known for being responsive and helpful. Although I didn't need to interact with them for this review, I've had positive experiences in the past, so you can feel confident in their customer support should you need assistance. If you're on a budget or simply looking for alternatives, there are other mascaras like Maybelline's Lash Sensational or L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise that offer similar results. However, if you're looking for a product that aligns with vegan and cruelty-free values, this is definitely a standout. To wrap it up, Flower Beauty's Warrior Princess Volumizing Mascara delivers on its promises of volume, length, and curl. It's a great fit for anyone who wants defined, fanned-out lashes with a smooth, clump-free finish. If you're someone who loves a buildable mascara and cares about clean beauty, this one is a must-try. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you've used this mascara, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.